Hey everyone, welcome back to Precious Product Reviews and Finds. Today we're diving into a full review of the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. I received the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, which was sent to me for testing. This all-in-one chopper promised to save time and mess in the kitchen, so let's see if it delivers. First, let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. It comes with a small cleaning brush, a large chopper blade, a spiralizer, large cleaning brush, a ginger guard to keep your fingers safe, ribbon blades for those fun veggie spirals. Plus, it includes 2 cleaning scrubbers. Now, here's a small chopper blade in action. Just place your veggies on top and press down firmly. And check out this even finely chopped pieces. It's perfect for ingredients like tomatoes and onions, and it saves you from tearing up while chopping.